Welcome to TinyKids Planet.
Have you ever wondered about the secrets concealed within the dense, lush greenery of the Amazon rainforest? Often referred to as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon rainforest is a marvel of nature. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, it stretches across 9 countries in South America. Primarily enveloping Brazil, it also reaches out to Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The sheer size of it is awe-inspiring, but even more remarkable is its role in our planet's health. The Amazon breathes life into our world, consuming vast amounts of carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen, making it vital for our survival. It's a powerhouse of nature, a testament to the wonders Mother Earth can conjure. The Amazon isn't just a rainforest, it's a living, breathing entity that sustains life on a global scale. Join us as we delve into the heart of this magnificent tropical rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Imagine a world within our world, teeming with a myriad of life forms. A place where the symphony of life plays out in a myriad of colors, sounds, and forms. That's the Amazon rainforest for you. As one of the most biodiverse regions on our planet, it's home to millions of species of plants, animals, and insects, many of which are quite literally found nowhere else on Earth. Let's take a journey through this vibrant and vital ecosystem. As we traverse the dense foliage, we encounter the majestic jaguar, a symbol of strength and power in the Amazon. Its unparalleled stealth and agility make it a master predator in this complex ecosystem. And then there's the ever-charming sloth, an icon of tranquility and leisure. These creatures embody a slow-paced life, spending most of their time hanging upside down from tree branches, munching on leaves and sleeping. The Amazon's feathered inhabitants are no less fascinating. From the brilliant blue and gold macaws, known for their striking coloration and loud calls, to the elusive harpy eagles, one of the world's largest and most powerful birds of prey. And who can forget the anacondas, the mighty serpents of the Amazon, capable of reaching lengths of up to 30 feet and possessing an uncanny ability to swim and hunt in water. But it's not just about the large and conspicuous. The Amazon is also a haven for countless insects and microorganisms that play vital roles in nutrient cycling and decomposition. This immense diversity is not just for show. Each species, in its own unique way, contributes to the health and resilience of the Amazon ecosystem. They form intricate webs of interactions, dependencies, and coevolutions that have taken millions of years to perfect. It's a continuous, dynamic dance of life, a testament to nature's creativity and resilience. It's a place where every species has a role to play and every life form has a story to tell. Indeed, the Amazon is a living, breathing encyclopedia of life on Earth. The Amazon doesn't just house an incredible array of life, it also plays a vital role in our planet's climate. You see, the Amazon rainforest is like a giant sponge, absorbing massive amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process is known as carbon sequestration, a natural way of mitigating climate change. Each year, the trees and vegetation of the Amazon absorb billions of tons of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. This absorption is a part of the process of photosynthesis, where plants take in carbon dioxide, use sunlight to convert it into glucose for growth, and release oxygen back into the environment. This makes the Amazon rainforest not only a home for countless species, but also a lifeline for our planet by helping to regulate our climate. But it's not just about the absorption of carbon dioxide. The Amazon is also a massive storage unit for carbon. It's estimated that the Amazon holds between 90 and 140 billion metric tons of carbon. That's more carbon than emitted by all the cars, factories, and homes in the world for a decade. This stored carbon remains locked within the forest in the form of trees and other plant matter, preventing it from being released back into the atmosphere. However, when the trees are cut down or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. This means that protecting the Amazon is not just about preserving biodiversity, it's about preserving our climate too. In a world where carbon emissions are rising and global temperatures along with them, the Amazon rainforest stands as a carbon sink, a natural solution to a man-made problem. It's a testament to nature's incredible ability to heal, to adapt, and to thrive, even in the face of adversity. The Amazon rainforest, therefore, is a critical component in maintaining the balance of our planet's atmosphere. So the next time you think about the Amazon, remember, It's not just a forest, it's a crucial part of our global climate system. The Amazon's influence extends beyond its trees and wildlife. This vast rainforest, often called the world's largest pharmacy for its rich array of medicinal plants, plays a crucial role in the global water cycle. The Amazon influences weather patterns far beyond its borders through a process known as evapotranspiration. This is where water is transferred from the land to the atmosphere by evaporation from the soil and other surfaces, and by transpiration from plants. The Amazon's dense foliage and humid climate create a perfect environment for this process. It's estimated that evapotranspiration from the Amazon contributes to rainfall in regions as far away as the western United States and Central Europe. This makes the Amazon a key player in maintaining our global climate balance, even as it nurtures a myriad of life within its own boundaries. Yet, the Amazon is more than just a biological powerhouse. It's also a cultural heartland, home to hundreds of indigenous communities that have thrived in harmony with the forest for thousands of years. These communities have developed a deep understanding of the forest's resources, relying on it for their livelihoods, cultural practices, and spiritual beliefs. From the Yanomami, who cultivate the forest floor using a sustainable practice known as shifting agriculture, to the Kayapo, who use the forest's resources for everything from food to medicine and shelter, these indigenous cultures have woven the Amazon into the very fabric of their lives. They are the forest's custodians, their traditional knowledge and practices playing a crucial role in preserving the Amazon's rich biodiversity. In turn, the forest sustains them, providing not only material resources but also spiritual sustenance. Many indigenous cultures view the forest as a living entity, a provider and a guide. This unique relationship between the people and the forest underscores the intricate interdependencies within the Amazon and its wider influence on the world. The Amazon is not just a forest, but a complex, interdependent system of life. Despite its ecological importance, the Amazon rainforest faces numerous threats. This vast expanse of lush greenery, home to countless species and indigenous cultures, is at risk. One of the most significant threats to this natural wonder is deforestation, often driven by agricultural expansion. Vast tracts of forest are cut down to make way for cattle ranching, soybean farming, and palm oil plantations. Illegal logging is another devastating blow to the Amazon. The unchecked felling of trees not only disrupts habitats and biodiversity, but it also contributes to global carbon emissions as the forest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide is diminished. Mining too poses a threat to the Amazon. The quest for gold, oil, and other minerals leads to the destruction of large forest areas, polluting rivers and affecting both the wildlife and the people who depend on these waters for their survival. And then there's the ever-looming specter of climate change, which exacerbates these threats. Changes in rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures can lead to more frequent and intense forest fires, further decimating this precious ecosystem. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are numerous efforts underway to conserve the Amazon rainforest. These involve a combination of protected areas, sustainable land management practices, indigenous land rights, and international cooperation. Conservation organizations, governments, and indigenous groups are joining hands to tackle deforestation, promote sustainable development, and protect the invaluable ecological and cultural heritage of the Amazon. These efforts include establishing and enforcing protected areas, promoting sustainable land use practices, and supporting the rights of indigenous communities who have been the stewards of the forest for generations. These actions are crucial because the Amazon's survival is not just a regional concern, but a global one. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. Its well-being is intimately tied to the health and stability of our planet as a whole. Therefore, preserving the Amazon rainforest is a responsibility we all share. The Amazon's survival is not just a regional concern, but a global one. The Amazon rainforest is truly a wonder of our natural world, a world within a world. It's a vibrant tapestry of life, brimming with an astounding array of biodiversity. It's a place where millions of species coexist, many of which are unique to this majestic forest. This tropical haven also serves as the Earth's thermostat, regulating our climate by absorbing colossal amounts of carbon dioxide and breathing out oxygen. It's a significant component of the world's water cycle, influencing weather patterns far and wide. The Amazon is more than just a forest, it's a home. Hundreds of indigenous communities have thrived here for millennia, their lives intricately woven into the fabric of this ecosystem. Yet the Amazon's future hangs in the balance. Threats like deforestation and climate change loom large, but hope persists. Through combined efforts of conservation organizations, governments, and indigenous communities, we strive to preserve this irreplaceable treasure. Every breath we take is a reminder of the Amazon's significance. It's not just the lungs of the earth, it's the heart.
We're so glad you joined us on this adventure, and we look forward to bringing you more tales that inspire, educate, and spark curiosity. If you've enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting stories. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting stories. Until next time, stay tuned.